Tesla has been a runaway train. It's been incredible. Here's our key levels. You see that? I'll show you what I just did. Hide all drawings, right? I brought it up. This is what it looked like. Okay. And when you're trying to look at this chart, you're like, all right, well, what's what? What's this? What are the key levels? You know. But when I right-click here and say, show me my drawings, immediately a roadmap appears. It's kind of from my book, Secrets of a Pivot Boss. I talk about how pivots can be a roadmap to the market, right? If you don't have a map and you're trying to drive around and you've never been to that area before, you have no clue where you're going, right? But a map gives you exactly what to look for. There's many ways to get where you want to go to. Just look on the map, right? Well, this is the roadmap. It's these key pivots. It's looking to see how the market's playing at those areas, right? And when you get expansion from these ranges, you see what happens. So we've been forecasting this thing to trade much higher. And we were looking at 332s as the next major target. And we're getting close to it now. The reason we're looking at 332s is because we have confluence at that area. Number one, this impulse move here, we got a breakout through the top of that impulse range. Here's your 50% target. There's your 100% target, 332, 332.70. And then from over here, you have this impulse move. That's 50%, and that's 333.40. So that's going to be a big target right there that if, once price hits it, there may be a counter trend coming. But any counter trend move, I think right down into 290 provides a steal of a buy. And I think this thing floats right on up. This has been a very strong stock. I don't know anything about fundamentals or anything about their balance sheet. I don't know anything about them not making money. I just know price is going up. And when it goes up, you look to defend rotations and you follow the guidelines. You follow the guidelines of the pivots and these key prices. And right now, the upside target here has a little bit more upside. And then I would look for some sort of counter trend rotation. I wouldn't necessarily sell the counter trend rotation. I would look to defend a counter trend rotation. And if this thing were to rotate into 290, the next upside target that I have on the board, drum roll, 397.63. 397.63 is the next upside target on a long-term basis, right? This isn't just for the month. This is perhaps 2 to 3 months out, right? So we'll look to see how price responds here at around 330s. Any rotation into, say, 290, I think that would be a home run buy from 290 to 390. It could be significant. Again, based off of market structure, based off of these range extensions. So I wanted to talk about some of these bigger stocks that most folks look at. We've had some great calls off of these lately, and we have some